Hi everyone, I want to give a little bit of a guide on, how I solve these Meowdoku puzzles. Sometimes it's hard for me and it takes me a little bit more time than other times, but I want to go through it. So we just have to understand the rules. Each color has to have and can only have one cat. Each row and column has to have and can only have one cat, and the cats cannot touch. So here's what we know looking at this row here. We have this color here on the left, that color there, it's in its own row. And this orange one is in its own, well, that's the only row or column that they're in. So we can eliminate the other ones from these. What does that do? It opens up this purple one here. This purple one is the only purple one left, so it has to be a cat. And then I need to eliminate, cats can't touch any other cat, so I'm going to eliminate the ones around it. And nothing else will touch the same row or column as it. Okay, and now we'll see if that opens anything else up. Let's take a look at what we see now. This already tells me what our next cat is. This top row here has to be this light green. We can remove all these other light greens. And immediately on the bottom row, there's only one tile left. So it's going to tell us it's that cat. I can remove the rest of these here. Okay. And now we need to look for something else. First thing I notice, there's already only one yellow left.
Nice.
So we're going to eliminate these ones surrounding it. This is kind of an easy level, but, and immediately we only have one of these brown ones left. But let's remove this first over here. Make sure we don't get too far ahead of ourselves. I think sometimes you miss something because you don't eliminate all tiles. So we can already see that that one there has to be a cat. So we're going to double tap on that.
Great.
Let's eliminate these. I know we can already see another one that has to be a cat. We're going to go one at a time. This brown one has to be a cat, which is going to mean this green one on the left also has to be a cat. So I'm going to hit this brown one.
Perfect.
I'm just going to eliminate what can't be around it first. Okay. Now we see this dark green. There's only one dark green left. When I hit this dark green one, it's going to tell us that it's going to open up another one that has to be a cat. And another one. You see, this pink one has to be a cat because the cats can't touch, so I eliminated everything that touched it, and I eliminated everything above, below, and to the sides. So what does that tell us? It actually tells us where our next three are. Let's start with this pink one here.
Amazing.
So this orange one in this row can't be. This light green one can't. So when we look on the very far right, it can't be the light green one here because this other one is the only one remaining of that color.
Unbelievable.
So we're going to do that. And then we look on the top. There's only one left, so it has to be this one here. We're going to remove this. And then if we look at this, there's only two orange ones left, and I didn't put this one here because there's already a cat in that row. Leaving us one left, we're going to solve it with no errors.
Unbelievable.
Okay, I went ahead and paused the video for a second because you have ads playing all the time between levels. So here's the next level. What do I notice in the beginning? In the bottom right, this brownish color here, there's only two of them on the whole map. And I just want to kind of walk through my thought process on this. I'm going to eliminate everything here because it can only be this color on the very far right. That brings us up another thing. This bottom right, it takes up two tiles. And on the bottom, the pink takes up the bottom two tiles as well. So there can only be two cats in these bottom two tiles. And since there's only two of this light brown and only two of this pink, it can only be those two colors. We can eliminate these other colors. And what does that do? It already tells us which one two of them are, because now there's only one yellow one left. That yellow one there. I'm going to double tap that one. I'm going to remove the ones surrounding it, the ones above it, the ones to the sides. What does that tell us? It tells us that this bottom right one is the only one left of this color. We've already removed everything above it. We're going to remove this one pink one on the right. Now we know this pink one is in that row, but we can't quite determine that yet. Now on the top, it's this light green. It's the only light green is the only color there. So we know we can remove the other light greens. I missed one other one here. Up on the far right here, we see that there is only one. This is the only one left right here. I'm going to double click that, and it's going to be a cat.
Nice.
Let's remove everything touching it. Let's remove everything above, below it. Everything to the left and right of it. Okay. So what do we know now? Well, we already have our next one because in this color here, this is the only one left. So we're going to double click that.
Great.
And I will tell you, sometimes it gets really difficult because sometimes you have to look, it'll have 3 colors left and you have to say, okay, if I select this one, does that eliminate any of the other ones? You might have 3 or 4 colors left where you have to kind of mentally say, if I do this one, what does it do to the other ones? And it takes a little bit of time. This one's pretty easy because this brown one is the only brown one left. I'm going to double tap the brown one.
Perfect.
And what tapping that does is it tells us right now, purple is the only one in this 3rd row down, meaning that this green one can't be it. Now there's only one green one left. So we know we're going to double click on this green one. There's a purple one that's attached to it. When we say that it's not going to be that purple one, it's going to open up this purple one on the left. When we make the cat on this purple one on the right, we're going to eliminate the pink below it, and we're going to know that it's the other pink one, and that's going to tell us that this top left one is a light green one. We're just going to go through that really quick.
Excellent.
So we got to go above it. Anything touching it, that eliminates that. That means there's only one purple one left.
Amazing.
We got to do everything above, below it, surrounding it. It eliminates this pink one, meaning there's only one pink one left.
Unbelievable.
We go up here.
Unbelievable.
There we go. That's some of the basics. It gets a lot harder.